You know the West Coast is back for all you. You know the West Coast is back for all you.
Hi guys, today is Sunday the 8th, isn't it? 8th. I think it's the 8th. Heading over to Birmingham now. We're heading over to MSL Performance car meet. It's a super car meet. I reckon there's gonna be loads of supercars there. So I'm just heading over with my good friend here, 20-30 minutes away, so I'm really looking forward to it. So today's vlog is going to be based around plenty of supercars.
You know the West Coast is back for all you. You know the West Coast is back for all you.
Bad boy, it is. Yo, what's up?
You're listening to Redneck.
You know the West Coast is back for all you. You know the West Coast is back for all you. You know the West Coast is back for all you.
What a day it's been, and oh look, there's my old car, BMW M5, beautiful M5. No it's not, it's a diesel. What? No thanks. What a delightful day, just finishing up at the MSL car performance meet, supercar meet. What was it called?
ECOL.
ECOL. ECOL? So yeah, the MSL supercar meet up at MSL performance, just heading home now.
What was your favourite car?
Oof. That's a good question. I think it was that 911 Carrera S with the wheels. What about yourself?
488.
That was wicked. The green Hurricane was pretty cool as well. Let us know in the comments box what you thought was your favourite car if you attended the meet itself. But yeah, what an awesome day. Completely forgot to introduce this young chap next to me. He's rather young, so cute. And he's also single, so if you're looking for a lovely young...
Leave a comment downstairs.
Yeah, downstairs. Leave a comment, rate him out of 10. 10 being the, you know, 1 being a...